Hi, it's Steve Moon. Welcome to 1883 Agnew Road, number 236, otherwise known as Mission Terrace. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,361 square foot luxury condominium. This unit has all of the modern amenities and tons of upgrades. So let's take a look at all of the details. A fabulous kitchen with an upgraded marble counter, fashionable glass backsplash, new stainless appliances, and contemporary flooring. Because it is an end unit, you are blessed with an abundance of natural sunlight from all directions. A dark and gloomy interior will not be your problem. If you wanted to close the shades for additional privacy, simply turn on the recessed LED lights for additional illumination. Open the slider door to gain access to the large patio for those weekend barbecues with friends and family. A large and bright master suite with new luxury carpeting and new paint. Master bathroom with dual sinks and a walk-in closet. Washer and dryer inside the unit with extra cabinet space for convenience. Gorgeous hall bathroom with full tub. The option and the convenience of a home office and another bedroom for kids or for guests. Don't miss this beauty or there will be regrets.